This minimal video is sponsored by Squarespace.com.
So, would you like to introduce yourself?
My name is Demetrius Raymond Akimoto, but I like to go by Drake for short because it's kind of a long name and I'm trying to keep things simple, as you can see.
No door, huh?
Yep, figured it was non-essential. Anyways, welcome to my place. This is pure minimalist living.
Oh, Drake. Like the artist.
Oh, who? Sorry, I don't listen to music. It's kind of an unnecessary luxury to life.
So what do you listen to?
What?
Hey, so I gotta use the bathroom. Where do I go?
So, how did you get into becoming a minimalist?
Well, it started with being dead broke, but still wanting to look good, as everyone does at some point.
Oh wow, that's a big closet. What's inside?
Oh yeah, this is where I keep my clothes. As you can see. Actually, it's double-sided. And then I just started wearing less and less clothes. And then at some point I realized, what do you think about this fit?
Yo, what the fuck?
There's a limit. But then after just being simpler and more foundationally deliberate with my piece selection, I just realized, why even bother trying for anything?
So, how do you come up with your outfits?
Well, I'll kind of just think of what I want to look like, and then I'll think even less. This is one of my favorite fits, goes with everything, and it's just the essentials. And then I'll think even less.
What are you looking at? There's no mirror right there.
Yeah, I like to just imagine. And then I'll think even less. This is another one of my favorites. It's the summer special. And then it's a lot different from the other one due to the cuffed jeans. But yeah, as you can see, sometimes you can mix up the essentials. I'll think even less. And then
There's still no mirror.
Let me guess. You're gonna think even less.
no, that's about good.
You ever try on anything else?
Well, when you found the one, why bother searching?
Oh, that's sweet. Is that how you feel about your love life?
What's love?
Don't you get bored of wearing the same thing every day?
Bored. I phased that emotion out a long time ago. I stick with the essentials now, like apathy and...
So, where do you get your clothes from?
Well, I really like Uniqlo for their basics.
Oh, so no any extra runarounds to be even more minimal or extra minimal or anything?
No, not everything has to be obscure. That's not essential.
Oh, there it is.
Personally, I've been testing this outfit out. It's a lot more minimal, as you kind of get rid of the whole top part of your outfit.
Do you laugh at all? Do you find anything funny?
Well, I choose not to feel that emotion because it's a bit too much, but the other day, I did have a little bit of a slip. I thought of incorporating reds into my wardrobe, and that was what the youth call, I'm dead. Sometimes I think, what if I'm feeling adventurous and want to try a new color? I go, and then I realize I don't like it, so I go back. And yeah, it's kind of experimental right now.
Since you like to keep it basic, what do you do when it's cold and you have to layer?
Well, I'll wear 2 black t-shirts.
What about when it's really cold?
Ooh. Well, I'll wear 3 black t-shirts.
What about when it's cold and there's wind chill?
Ooh. Well, I'll wear 4 black t-shirts and chapstick. Unscented, of course, because that's how you keep it minimal.
So, common projects. Why not opt for anything cheaper? Something like Vans or Stan Smiths?
Well, these are the optimal minimal sneaker. Reddit likes them. And
Alright, what's your opinion on something like the Travis Scott Force?
oh, those are fun. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yo, is that color?
What?
Okay, so who are some of your inspirations?
Ooh, well, I do have a couple. Patrick's House from SpongeBob. That's a really good one. Groot from Avengers. I was such a huge fan of. Can't get over that. Page 3 of the ACTs was amazing. That's a core memory.
I was thinking more fashion-wise.
Oh, fashion? Okay, yeah. I really liked Adam from Genesis, pre-Eve.
Wait. He wasn't wearing anything, though.
Exactly.
Can I get another shot of the closet?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Just the basics.
No underwear?
So, do you have any grails or anything? Something that you can get on, like, StockX or Goat or Grailed or anything like that?
Well, I don't know if you can get it on StockX, but I really want the Void.
No! What are you doing? Hey! What are you doing? So, do you use social media at all?
Ooh, no. That one I had to cut out a long time ago. But I do use Squarespace.
So let me get this right. You refuse to layer, but you still use Squarespace.
Yep. It's just that simple.
Squarespace is the best place to make a website for absolutely anything. With over hundreds of designer-winning templates, you can make a website look exactly how you want it. Like I just made this minimal fashion web store in no time. Look at this. We got some vibes on there. We got literally nothing. It was really easy using all the tools integrated with Squarespace. Even when I want to sell these things, there's a lot of e-commerce tools directly integrated in the site builder itself. And if me, who lives in a house with no bathroom, no kitchen, can make a website out of absolutely nothing,
No door, huh?
Yeah.
you too can go on the website right now, clicking my link. You get a free trial of the website builder and you'll get 10% off your first order. That's squarespace.com/frugalaesthetic. Go, it's in the description, and go build your website now. Squarespace.com/frugalaesthetic, 10% off your first order. Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.
Drake, I saw that.
Thank you for watching the video, and you can follow me on Instagram at ChristianVY. Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video, and watch new episodes of the podcast now. And thank you for watching again.
There's colors under your pillow.
So how did you get to becoming a minimalist?
It's two-sided, actually. Actually, it's double-sided.
So with the all black, don't you get hot during the summertime?
Heat. That's all in your head. None of that is real.
You don't sweat
That's
at
not
all?
real. It's not real.
But
That's all in your head.
you don't sweat
It's
at all?
not essential.
You don't?
That's not real.